stacking off at the front. Oh, track trouble from Tony. He's just get up just in front of Casper, go right behind him. Here's Scarabell looking to get there. Maluli coming with him. McKenzie holding the top. But Luther goes inside. 2 upside down to roll, and 3 upside down. Do we not have a Marshall in that corner? Oh, I didn't know she was out there. Never mind. All right, I'm good. Oh, McKenzie gets it caught to go over. Tim nicely rolls it and lands it. Comes up freed up Vessel. Casper fading over the stairwell. Machado McKenzie. It's amazing how fast this swaps around. It's a long race though. A long race there where there's Steele will put him down and gets out just underneath McKenzie. Literally. That's good. Gavin gets a little outside, gets loose, holds on for it. Vessel, Casper will lose Scarabell, McKenzie faded, Machado will their Casper. Trouble up front, Maluli, I think gets it on track. No, it wasn't Maluli at all. Maluli holds on to that 3 spot, 7 seconds back on Casper. Casper 5 taps on Vessel. So the front 2 still battling. Looks like there may have been some separation. Casper has gotten out front 4.5. Casper behind. Vessel trying to hang us with his Vessel. A little trouble there. Going to put a few cars up in front of him. Maluli maybe moving into that 2 spot. Let's see as they come around here. Kennedy back to that 8 spot. Trouble. Got Maluli up to the 2, 5.5 back. Vessel 1.5 off that Kester, 1 off of that 4. That's to Scarabell. 2.6 to Steve, 3.5 to Otto, 1.5 to Kevin, 1.5 to Casper, 1.8 to Luther. So everybody in this field very tight. The biggest gap out front with Tony showing almost a 6-second lead. Kester turns around in the sweeper, gets it down. Steve will take advantage of taking that spot for him. Those guys are battle position. Our leader trying to work his way. We've got fight positions in front of him everywhere. He tries to slice and dice behind him. Those guys working position. Maluli looks inside and loses that battle. Scarabell will hold on. Vessel tries to get there to get tires. And if they get 3, they do, but that'll cost them about 5 spots for Maluli. That's how tight you guys about 5 spots there, Chris. I think it cost you. He comes up behind that pack. Vessel though wants to be back there with him. He'll have a crash. He'll drop back there. So Casper, Scarabell, Felix, Maluli, Kester, Vessel, Machado, McKenzie, Luther, Casper. Everybody at car in front of you is pretty much positioned if you're out there. Maluli trying to work his way back on the lead lap though. He'll get upside down into with Luther. They get down and moving. Kevin gets turned in front of the roller and gets stuck in driving off them. Madison working on their no running for a while. Casper, Scarabell, Payton, Kester, Vessel, Maluli, Machado, McKenzie, Casper, Luther. Gets it upside down. Kester, Payton working each other. Vessel right there in that all position. It's Casper up by 6.5 on Scarabell. Payton back 8.4. 8.5 to Kester, 2 tenths to Vessel. Maluli 2 seconds off of that. They get together in the back stretch. Maluli struck slow. I don't know if that was intentional or not. He was definitely slow in front. Oh, we got 1 off. Looks like Scarabell gets back out. These are 2 cars. Look at that effective Steve trying to get there. So Steve from the back all the way right now into the 3 spot. Joe's going to hold on to that and be back there in a few seconds. Upside down, front center, front center. Scarabell trying to find the edge. He's going to give him some more space. He's not careful. Pushing hard out front by 12 seconds is Casper. 1:35 to go in this race. Payton hit 3. We got Kester, Maluli, Vessel, Machado, McKenzie, all within a second of each other. So that 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 spot very close to this right now. 3, 4, 5, 6. And McKenzie gets it on trying to find that speed. He'll go off track. Gets him down. That'll give Otto a little room. He'll get 3 to 5 seconds off in front of McKenzie. That battle, Maluli, Kester, and Vessel, all positions. They work through the inside dots. Coming with them, though, Otto also in that spot. held 17 seconds on Scaramount right now. Joe holds that 2 spot by 2.8 seconds for Phoenix. So Phoenix working his way up to find 2 if he can with 44 seconds on the clock. Joe's got the blue and white with red stripes. Steve's got the all red with black sides. Loader goes over in the middle of the roller. Bessel get caught a little bit, he'll get free. Tony, Joe, Steve, Chris, Mark, Tony, Otto, Kevin, Tim, Brian in the order. Tony at the point though. The battle behind him is big. Steve, Chris, Mark, Tony, and Otto now within a second of each other. Over goes Bessel. That'll hurt him with 16 on the clock. Really hard to make that spots up. But that infield, that is all push for position. As Steve, Chris, Mark, and Otto all within a second. Over goes Joe. Joe's got some gas though. 5.5 seconds on Steve. You better be careful. Steve will be on the bumper for the last lap. They'll come into traffic. We'll see this where Steve's going to be looking. They'll make contact. Joe will over. Bessel and them. Steve gets caught. So now we'll see they're all running. But right now, Joe's just got to make the final turn and he'll hold on for 2. Malooly will steal 3 from Steve on that lap. And Steve will come in at 4. Mark, Otto, Kevin, Tony, Tim, and Brian. Nice run, guys. Nice run. We're going to lower train. I'm going to leave that to score. We'll meet you out to Marshall. Doug, you call us the last one? Thank you, sir.
I tried. You had it. I got black, right? Go to my black. We only have one missing. Oh, that was a nice jump. I'm like, oh crap! I see you go. I'm like, oh.
Dad, how do you feel about that? You know, I posted on Facebook, but you know.
Wow, that was quick.
I don't have a face.
Keeps it up. It's a long walk.